Splash park? Check. Full service restaurant? Check. Resort style pool and amenities? Check and check. Nestled right here in the heart of Lakewood Ranch, welcome to Lorraine Lakes. True to its namesake, the community is designed around many sparkling lakes, offering sweeping water and preserved views. Lorraine Lakes provides residents with access to private resort-style amenities that enhance the Lakewood Ranch lifestyle. We can't wait for you to see for yourself. Join neighbors and friends at an expansive clubhouse that includes fitness and aerobics facilities, social rooms, a coffee bar, indoor basketball with lockers, a sauna, and even an arcade for the kids. Outside, residents can relax besides a breathtaking pool and spa and order a drink from the poolside café. That's right, have your feet up and relax with poolside service. What about the fitness lovers? Lorraine Lakes has tennis courts, basketball and pickleball courts, which present awesome opportunities for friendly games, while the event and sports lawn promise entertainment and a place to gather with the neighbors. No matter your pleasure, there's no place like this place. You have plenty of options when it comes to floor plans. Choose from a full collection of stunning twin villas or the single-family executive, manor, and estate homes. With 1 and 2 floor plan options, there's a home to suit every lifestyle. Featuring breezy and open floor plans with flex spaces, screened lanais, casual and formal dining areas, and well-appointed bedrooms that grant everyone their own space. Lorraine Lakes plans to have 1,500 homes by its completion, with homes ranging from 1,400 square feet all the way up to 3,900 square feet. HOA fees will be around $300 to $400 a month, and the annual CDD is estimated to be around $1,900 a year. We hope you found this video valuable. We're so excited to help you find your dream home here on the beautiful Gulf Coast of Florida. Subscribe to our page on YouTube and give us a call today. It's our mission to show you what it's like to live, work, and play here in Manatee, Sarasota, and Pinellas. Our agents are excited to get to work for you.